In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to pay your Best Buy financing through your Fairstone account. First, go to the Fairstone Retail Financing login page. If you've already registered, log in with your email and password. If not, create an account using the email linked to your Best Buy financing. Once inside your dashboard, you'll see your account number, balance, payment due date, and recent transactions. Important, you can't pay your Fairstone Best Buy financing at Best Buy stores or on their website. All payments go through Fairstone. To make a payment, log into your online banking and add Fairstone Retail Financing as a payee. Then enter your account number and the payment amount. Alternatively, you can pay in person at your bank, at a Fairstone branch, or by mailing a check with your account number to their Montreal address. If you need help finding your account number or statement, contact Fairstone's customer care team or log in to access your monthly electronic statement. And that's it. Now you know how to pay your Best Buy financing through Fairstone. Always pay on time to avoid fees and interest.